Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Michigan and looking for a bird book or a bird guide which is offered in audio so that bird identification will be easy for you? If you love bird songs and currently living in Michigan, then the Birds Michigan audio CD will be the perfect product for you. This is the companion to the Birds of Michigan Field Guide. Now you can easily know certain birds by the sound it makes. This audio CD is prepared by Stan Tequila. This item includes sets of two audio CDs that offers the highest quality digital recordings and features approximately 120 minutes of bird calls. This is ideal for nature enthusiasts, bird lovers, adults, and kids. Learn to identify birds in the state of Michigan. This item is a must-have for any bird lover regardless of age. So what are you waiting for? Grab the Birds Michigan audio CD today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Michigan. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.